Hello, welcome back to PC Hack channel. In this video, we're gonna tell you how to build a budget gaming PC. It costs only about a price of a laptop, a Lenovo laptop. So it's around 500 US dollar. When you build a PC like this, you have to postpone something, like you have to not to buy the video card, because a good video card costs around 200, and if your budget is limited, like around 500, the budget won't cover the cost. So first thing first, we have to pick the parts that you need to build. So you have to browse on some websites to buy the parts. This is the best time to buy parts because at the end of the year, especially after Christmas, they will put a big discounts for anything that is sold for 2020 for this year. So let's do it. First, you buy the parts from this website. Okay. Why do I recommend this website? Because they have sale all the time, especially this time of the year, the Christmas holidays. And also, this is the easiest way to find parts for your budget PC gaming. Let's start with the PC case first, because you have to know your form factor for your motherboard. So the first thing is to find a good computer case. So there are prices, and see, it says sale ends in 7 days. So this is the best time. Today is on the date is the 18th in December 2020. Let's find a cheap PC case for your budget PC gaming. Okay, Cooler Master. Let's sort the item from the lowest price. This is interesting, but it looks ugly. This one looks good. Cooler Master. Okay, hold on. Still loading the website. This one looks good. Cooler Master's box Q300L, a micro ATX tower. This case looks interesting, and it should be easy enough for a beginner builder. Let's see. See, it looks good. It says Cooler Master Box Q300L Micro ATX Tower with magnetic design dust filter. That's a good thing. They have a dust filter, transparent acrylic side panel, adjustable input-output, and fully ventilated for airflow. Looks good. Let's see the photos. You need to know the interior of the case. Where's the photo? Side view. It looks big enough, but this is a micro ATX case. Let's pick this one. Cost only $49. Okay. So this is the first item. So next thing, it will be a processor. because we're not gonna buy a video card, we have to find a processor that has an integrated graphic card from, I think I'll pick from AMD. Hold on. Let's choose the manufacturer, AMD. It says AMD Ryzen 204. Okay, this one looks good, like AMD Ryzen 5 3400G. It has a 4 core and 3.7 gigahertz of speed. The price is $207. Still loading. The fan looks good. See this? It says 4 cores and 8 threads. This is a very good processor. And where's the graphics card? Okay, it says quad core, good enough for our budget PC gaming. It says it has integrated graphics, and the graphic card is AMD Radeon RX Vega 11. I think I'm gonna choose this one. Okay. So far, we already spent 257. Now find a motherboard. Let's find a AMD motherboard. Socket is aim for. This is expensive. Asus ROG Strix B550E gaming. Too expensive for our build. This is kind of cheap, but $64. Let's find from ASRock. $64. Oh. Still loading, please wait. Please read this. Orders placed on December 24th won't ship until the 28th. That makes sense because it's a Christmas Eve. Okay, this one, ASRock B450M Steel Legend. Looks interesting. Yes, this is I think this is a micro ATX motherboard. The motherboard looks very attractive. It has some lights, AMD IM4. You have to find the socket that is compatible with the processor. In this case is the The AMD Ryzen 3400G has a AM4 socket, so this motherboard will compatible with the processor. And you have to find a motherboard that has a dual channel for the memory, because it will make the game runs faster if the RAM slot has a dual channel. And the onboard audio chipset is Realtek. Let's see the connectors, the ports on the back, because that's important. Okay, this is the back port. How many USB? Like 2 for the mouse and keyboard. It has a display port, HDMI port, good, and 4 USB 3.1, a LAN port, and the how many, like it has an optical port, which is very good. Okay, let's pick this motherboard. So far we got the case, motherboard, and the processor, and the cost is already 350, so we got only 150 left for the other parts. So let's find a power supply. Power supply, okay. For power supplies, minimum power should be around 500 watts. Because we don't have a graphic card, so 500 will be enough. Let's see, thermal take. This one, that doesn't looks, that looks cheap. This one only $49. Okay, this one, thermal take smart series, 500 watt. Let's see this one. You have to check the cables, how many cables and how many power cables for the graphics card, because we might upgrade in the future, you know. Okay, this is the cables. So it has, this is for the motherboard, this is for the SATA hard drive. It looks only have one 6-pin for the graphic card, so it won't be powerful enough for a high-end graphic card. But we can always upgrade later. Like for now, we have to find something that costs only around 500. So let's pick this power supply. It's only $53. So far we spent about 405 US. Let's see, we got the case, motherboard, power supply, processor. We need RAM now. Skip jumping around because it's still loading. we're just gonna buy an 8 GB RAM for this build, and it's from, I think, from jail. Is it jail? No, G-Skill is jail. And it's gonna be a DDR4. I mean, the browser keeps jumping around. It's fine. This is 16 gigs. Okay, hold on. Let's find the 8 gigs because the 16 is too expensive. There are only two 8 gigs RAM, and it should be a DDR4. And this is a dual channel, see? Two memory card. I mean, two memory modules. I think. Let's see this one. Gale Gas 48G to 2400C. Wow, it's too long. Super loose RGB. Oh, it means it has some LEDs on the memory modules. It's DDR4 2400. It's fast enough. Let's see the specs. It says capacity is 8 gigabytes, and this is a 288 pin DDR4 SD RAM. So let's pick this one for the RAM. So hold on. Memory processor. So we got the case, motherboard, power supply, RAM, processor. We spent 465 already. So we still need a hard drive. Where's the hard drive? Oh, this here. Seagate. No, I don't like Seagate. I usually like Western Digital. Where is it? Because this is a budget PC, we'll have to find a cheap one, like Western is a good. No, not Western. It's WD, Western Digital. Oh no, I picked the wrong one. Should be Western Digital, not WD. WD red. Okay, this one. WD blue, 1 terabyte hard drive. Plus only around $40. Let's see the specs. With SATA is this hard drive. SATA 6. That should be fast enough. So let's pick this hard drive. So we got about 505. We got the PC case, the motherboard, hard drive, power supply, RAM, processor. It should be everything you need to build a budget PC gaming. Okay. Okay, next video we're gonna do some unboxing on the motherboard. So you learn how to put a processor on a motherboard, and then we build this budget PC in the next video. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel if you like our videos. Okay.